Hello, happy Monday, new week. Um, Sadly, we have Powell speaking today at 11, which is gonna mess up our morning, our trading day, our morning. But let's hope we can catch something before Powell because I'm planning to trade before Powell
Happy
and then
Monday,
finish my
new
day
week.
early because I don't want to trade or hold anything with
Sadly, we
him
have Powell
speaking
speaking
today
but
at 11,
okay,
which is gonna
so
mess up our
key levels to
morning,
watch
our
today
trading day, our
on
morning.
SPY
But
and the Q
let's
are
hope
basically Friday's
we
low.
can catch
We want to see a
something
SPY
before
holding
Powell
Friday's
because I'm
lows and we
planning to
can
trade
have like a
before
little
Powell
upside.
Happy and then
Monday,
finish my day
and for the
early because I
Q,
don't want to
if
trade or
we
hold
can
anything with
sadly we
him
have
Friday's
Powell
low
speaking
if
today,
holds at
but we can
11,
expect a
okay,
little
so which is gonna
bounce
mess up
if
our
SPY levels to
morning,
watch
our
today
trading day, our
on
morning.
SPY
But
and the
let's
Q are
hope
basically Friday's
we
low.
can catch
We want to see a
something
SPY
before
holding
Powell
Friday's
because I'm
lows and we
planning to
can
trade
have like a
before
little
Powell
upside.
Happy
And then
Monday,
finish my day
and for the
early
Q
because I don't want to trade or hold anything
sadly,
with
we
him
have
Friday's
Powell
low.
speaking
Let's see
today
how
at
SPY
11
and the Q are
a
gonna
little
react to
bounce
Friday's
gonna mess
low.
up
If
our
SPY
our
levels
market
to
watch
reduce
today, our trading day, our
on
morning.
SPY
But
and the Q
let's
are
hope
basically Friday's
we
low.
can catch
We want to see a
something
SPY
before
holding
Powell
Friday's
because I'm
lows
planning
where
to
I
trade
have like a
before
little
Powell
upside.
Happy
And then
Monday,
finish my day
and for the
early
Q
because I don't want to trade or hold anything
sadly,
with
we
him
have
Friday's
Powell
low.
speaking
Let's see
today.
how
Okay, I should be fine now. Do you do you guys hear echo or it got fixed? Mm, For Netflix, I'm still holding Netflix and I wanna see it holding Friday low. If loses Friday low, I'm gonna get out. Awesome, awesome. So Apple is looking weak. Good now. Awesome. Morning, morning. Welcome. Okay. That's a big move on Apple, and I like that on Netflix. If you guys are not on Netflix, I think this here is a very good entry. You can put enter here, your stop loss will be Friday low. Damn, what's going on with Apple? I want to see the like QQQ and SPY holding holding VWAP as support. If I can see either or holding VWAP, I'm gonna play the upside on futures. And watch Nvidia 440. 440, 442. It's Friday high. It can if it can hold it as support, it's gonna go. Nvidia's gonna go. If reject 440, it can be a good entry for puts, but I think it's looking bullish. Right now it's looking very strong. And with Apple going higher, yeah, the market's gonna move higher. Let's put Nvidia here. Yeah. Netflix looking fantastic. Okay, I entered there on the queue and playing the queue upside on futures because I like how strong um Apple and Nvidia are moving. If Nvidia can break 445 and use it as support, it's gonna go easy to 460. I'm only playing 4 micros here. Anybody on Nvidia or Netflix? Anybody swing Netflix or re-enter it? I'm sorry, Nvidia needs to break 445, like these little resistance here, and then it's gonna, like, if can break this little resistance here, it's gonna explode to 460. Netflix looking great. I'm gonna take some profit here because I can see I sold two and holding two more. I'm holding two and sold two because I do like I really like how the queue is looking, but I can see it has a little bit resistance here, and SPY the same. It's kind of having resistance here on this Friday. It was Friday resistance and Wednesday also, so it could still reject here. Nice, nice. Okay. See, like SPY is rejecting that level there, like this level here. And same with the Q. We want to see if the Q can break this level and use it as support. I'm gonna add more because I can see the Q going to at least 362, 361.80. And Nvidia is still having a little trouble there at around 445. So you basically, if you're on Nvidia, you want to see Nvidia breaking this level here. You want to see it break it and use it as support. Let's go with So that's the level in NVIDIA, that line there. Okay, the Q is looking pretty bullish, but the SPY is still having trouble here. I want to see a SPY using this level as support. Okay, do you like that? If I see any like red candle and retest of, let's see, this level here on the Q, I'm thinking on adding more on futures, on my futures play. And the same, if you want to play Nvidia, you can wait to see if Nvidia is gonna like break this, literally a break and retest of this line here. And same with SPY. Morning, Donnie. SPY is definitely weaker than the Q, which I don't really like. But I think as long as Apple keeps going higher, the market is gonna go higher. We gotta be careful when Apple goes to 174, which is a little bit close. I think Apple has resistance right here when it is right now, and then it's 174, like the main one. So basically, Apple is at Friday high. That's the resistance that we need Apple to break, and then 174. Like I want to see the Q kind of like consolidating here to add more. But I also need a SPY to consolidate above this green line, which I'm gonna put it red because it's resistance right now. And Netflix, if can use 380 as support, it's gonna feel this wick here. Anybody on Netflix? Who's playing Netflix with me? You nice. Okay, I like how SPY is holding here and the Q also, but I want SPY a little bit higher. because if SPY can hold this level here as support, we could still reject here and go lower. The Q is looking great, but the SPY not so much. That's why I haven't add more here. I want to see a SPY holding this line as support, which is what it's doing right now. Okay, Netflix is above 380. Yeah, from here, if you can hold 380 as support, it's gonna fill the gap. I'm sorry, this week, and I think it could go higher to 386. This is what I was looking for Netflix to do on Friday. Sadly, the market was very weak, but yeah, it's a good swing. Come on, SPY, go a little bit higher. We want to see a SPY holding here. Nvidia is rejecting 445. Well, it's a little bit higher than 445. It's 446.80 around there. If SPY can't hold VWAP and INEMA, I'm gonna get out on my futures play because that will be weakness on the market. And even though the Q is looking very strong with the SPY going lower, that's gonna bring the market lower. Let's see. So far we're doing good. We're doing great. If you play the Q with me here, you must be up. And same with Netflix. Okay, let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. It closes. If it's SPY, okay, I got out. I'm all out. I don't like that weakness on SPY. And I think we have data at 10. So I think it's better to wait for data to come out, and then we'll see what it's gonna be the market trend, at least for this morning before Powell speaking, which is at 11. Mhm. Okay, so let's wait and see. Hmm. Okay, so Netflix is holding very good. Nvidia is rejecting 445, but it's still holding there. It's holding VWAP and 90MA, and the Q, as long as holding this level here, it's around 359. I'm bullish on the Q, but I don't want to play, even though these are break and retest, I don't want to play it here with SPY being so weak. I want to see a SPY holding this level as support. Apple is holding very good, so I think that's why the Q is holding. Let's see how SPY is gonna do here. 426 here. It's pre-market low, which is the level that the SPY needs to hold if we want to see more upside. 426, 425.50. Okay. See, the SPY just rejected that level here. It's looking very, very ugly. If SPY loses um, this Thursday low, it's gonna go back to 422.50. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait if loses 425. So now I'm gonna put this level here. That's Thursday low. Let's see. Yeah, Thursday low. If SPY loses Thursday low, I'm gonna play the downside to 422.50. We can do two things. Either we enter here to play the downside with a stop loss over like around morning high, but I'll prefer to enter when it loses this green level here and use it as resistance, and then we have like a free like trend to the downside. But here SPY could still hold and then just chop around here because it had a lot of support here from last week. Like was support on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. So SPY could still like chop around here. And I really like this chart on the Q. Like I kind of want to go high, like I want to enter here to play the upside, but Um, I think it's a little bit risky with SPY being so weak. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and be patient. Um, I'm $185 up on each futures account, so I'm gonna be patient here. And Netflix is doing really good, so I don't need to like overtrade here. It's better to be patient for A plus setup than just enter in here just because it looks good, but the risk to reward is not that good. Watch Nvidia here. Nvidia is flagging right at resistance, so for me that's bullish. I'm not like if I didn't had Netflix, I would be looking to enter Nvidia with a stop loss under 444, like VWAP pretty much. Um, yeah, I do like Nvidia here. Like the risk to reward is very good because if Nvidia goes higher, I can see it going to 460 with a stop loss around on VWAP. So it will be, let's go, where is it? Here. So you enter here, your risk is for your stop loss, it will be kinda around here. Yeah, this support here. Um let's go to 460. Kind of around there. So it's 5.70 risk to reward. That's a very, very good one. But again, I'm not gonna answer because I already have Netflix, but I do like it. Okay, I'm gonna enter here with two micros because I like how the Q is holding and SPY is holding too. Even though it's a little risky, but um yeah, it's only two, which is very, very small position. Morning, morning. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. This is a little difficult because I love how the Q is looking, but the SPY is looking pretty weak. So this play here, I think it's a little bit risky. That's why I only got two. But let's see. Oh, we have data. We're going up, we're going down. What's gonna be? Okay. Okay, looks like the market like that. Anybody got Nvidia or the Q with me? But SPY is still having trouble here. We need a SPY like closing this 5-minute candle above this morning high. It keeps rejecting that level. Morning, morning. Come on, let's see. Nice, nice. Nvidia is just like the Q. Like I think everything is gonna move if SPY can break this level here. We need SPY breaking this level here. But I don't like that even with data, SPY is still having trouble there. Okay. That's the move that I wanted, but we want to see this 5-minute candle closing above this level here. Netflix looking amazing. Okay, nice. Let's see. We need that 5-minute candle closing above this level here on SPY, so everything can move higher. Okay. I'm all out. Trump is talking, so I don't want to be red on today. But yeah, everything looks very bullish, but I'm like up a lot on futures. So I want to see a SPY closing above that level so I can, that will be like a secure call entry or more upside. But it's, I don't like that it's still having trouble there. And Trump is talking, so anything can happen. So I'm up 355 on 4 accounts. Um, that's over 1400, so that's pretty good for Monday. Who's holding Nvidia? Nvidia's looking great. The Q is also looking great. Um, mm, mm, mm. If SPY can hold above this level and use it as support, I'm gonna re-enter. But I wanna see that 5-minute candle closing. Netflix killing it. Okay, so that's pretty bullish there. We need to hold here. We need to hold here. If we hold here, it's pretty much a break and retest, and we can go higher. Nice. You're killing it with SPX. And Netflix is at this level here. It just filled the week. That's a double top. So let's see if Netflix can like hold this level here as support. And then if can hold it as support, my next PT is 384 and then 386. Let's see. Yeah, no problem. Okay, Apple is at 174. We need to watch how Apple is gonna hold, like how it's gonna react to that level because right now it looks like it wants to consolidate there. Um, mm, we wanna see a spy holding here. And it keeps rejecting there. Spy is very weak. Very weak. Yeah, that is no bueno. So I guess this level here is acting as resistance now. Mm, okay, so yeah, this is Thursday's low, keeps acting as resistance here. So basically, a spy is pinpointing on a very small channel. Maybe we're gonna keep doing that until Powell speech. And on the 30-minute candle like time frame, SPY looks like it's doing lower high and lower low. So it looks like it's on a little downtrend. The Q is looking great. It keeps like holding VWAP, keeps making higher lows and higher highs. But it's just a SPY. I don't like how SPY is looking. I feel like if I enter the queue, because I really love this chart here, it looks very easy, like break, retest, but it's just a SPY. I feel like a SPY could just die very fast. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, SPY keeps rejecting this level, so it's looking bearish. RSP, let's see what's that. RSP. I think it looks like the like futures. Kinda? No. Okay, so what's that? It looks very bearish. Like the SPY, but without the Nasdaq. Okay. Yeah, it's looking bearish. But it has support around 140.64 and then 140.50, but definitely looking bearish. Yeah. So I don't like trading with when the Nasdaq, like the Q is looking one way and SPY is looking the other way. Look at this 30-minute candle. These 30-minute candles are so bearish, like a clear rejection of this level. See, but it could also been flagging here. Yeah, it looks like it's flagging, but still, I want to see it holding this level here. If it is not holding, I'm not gonna enter anything. Yeah, when the Q and SPY are going to different like direction, it's very difficult to trade unless you are a scalper. If you're like a quick scalper, you can trade that, but it's still too risky because like you guys can see like the Q is looking great for upside, but every time it goes higher, it just gets rejected right away because SPY is weak. No, Nvidia is looking great. And Apple is it's consolidating under resistance, which is like I said, that for me is bullish. But but I don't recommend entering anything right now because how SPY is looking. So let's see my plan today. Okay, was Netflix is 376, 377, which it held very good. That's where it bounced in the morning. And then Apple, I saw this head and shoulder that it did not play out. Um, um okay. So 173 and 169 was the level that I was looking on Apple. And the other watch that I had for on my watch list was Nvidia, the 440 level. If held as support, I was looking for the upside. If it reject, that was the level to play puts there. So that play out very good for the upside on Nvidia. um Same with Netflix. And now we just wait and see what SPY is gonna do here. And that's my next trade. I think the smart thing to do is just wait for a bigger time frame candle to close above this level here. So it will be, for me, will be the 30-minute candle closing above this level. Because if this 30-minute candle closes like this with a wick at the top, that's weakness. That's clear rejection point, and you're having a lot of trouble there, and it's making lower high. Ooh, AMD is looking very, very weak. I'm gonna watch AMD here because if AMD loses 102, I like the downside there. What is that? I never shared that one. Okay, you're spamming. Bye. Okay, I'm watching AMD here. I like AMD. Yeah, this rejection here is looking juicy. Yeah, I'm gonna go with AMD put. Let's see. Weekly. This is probably a high risk trade because we have Powell speaking in a little bit, but it's gonna be the 102 puts. My stop loss is morning high. So uh this is what I'm looking on AMD. So I enter in around here. My stop loss is here. My first PT is 100 and the second one is around 98. I'm gonna use this morning high as my stop loss. That's a big stop loss. If you guys don't want to lose too much money, you can use the VWAP there. Even though I don't see the VWAP as a stop loss when we are on a choppy market. But yeah, you can use either the VWAP or morning high. It's 98, 10. Yeah, I like how this daily candle is looking so far. I know it's a little bit risky because the Q is looking bullish and is holding very good, but I don't know. I like that. I like that rejection there that it had in the morning. Apple could be another one. It's rejecting 174. So if you feel like playing puts, Apple is like the risk to reward here is extremely good. Netflix looking weak now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the market is not doing anything. Okay, and AMD is looking great. Okay, I like that. I like that. That's a good one. We need continuation, but I think as long as AMD is on their morning low, it's very, very weak. But we need the Q to lose it here. And now it looks bearish because this pattern here, this 30-minute pattern rejection here, it's bearish. That's why I took AMD puts, because I like this pattern here. It's pretty much this. What is it? Which I've been taking this type of candle pattern for bullish and bearish the past few days. When I see it on the 30-minute time frame or 1 hour, and even on the daily, I like playing that. And with SPY being so weak, it's a plus for this trade. Anybody took AMD or Apple? Okay, so the market looks like it's just chop. It's gonna be like just very choppy today. And it's just gonna be chopping around at least until power, which we have 30 more minutes. Mm, this is so boring. It kind of also looks like a head and shoulder. We, the Q and SPY could be making a head and shoulder. It's a weird head and shoulder, but maybe. Let's see. The Q looks like it's flagging also. AMD is looking weak, but it's holding there. Okay, let's see. I'm just here waiting to see if AMD is gonna die or not. But it's looking very weak. It just needs the market to just move lower so AMD can go to at least 100. Okay. AMD is looking fantastic. We just need um the Q going lower or SPY going lower so AMD can die. Okay, I like that move, but we have no continuation. Apple is holding very, very good. Come on, AMD, just go lower so I can end my trading day here. I'm hungry. Netflix going. Mm-mm. SPY should go lower, at least to this level here, because it's hanging like by a little bit. Like I don't know how it's holding so good because it's been like rejecting the entire morning. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. So I'm not gonna take any other like futures trade because I'm 1400 up, a little bit over 1400 up, and Powell is speaking like 20 minutes, so and the market is doing nothing. So I don't see the point on trading a SPY on the queue. I'm only waiting for AMD to do something. I'm watching Apple. If Apple can break 174, it's gonna the queue is gonna go higher. But 174 it looks like a very strong level of resistance. And I want to see AMD keep rejecting this level here, or the 9 EMA. Looks like a bear flag. Netflix could be doing a head and shoulder here, but who knows? I don't think any like pattern works right now with a choppy market. Okay, SPY is looking even more weak now. Let's see. Yeah, look at daily. The daily is definitely bearish on SPY. Come on, AMD. Why AMD is holding with it when everything is like looking bearish? With the SPY and the Q being so weak. You need to go lower. I'm gonna move it here. It's kind of like this. Okay, so 15 minutes to Powell. I'm not gonna be here wait for Powell speed because I don't think there's no point on trading that. And we got like really good trades in like early morning and market open, so there's no need to keep trading. The more you trade, the higher probabilities that you're gonna lose money. Nvidia is holding very, very good above 445, which is bullish. And the Q is also holding very good. Okay, so 13 minutes to Powell. Nvidia is crazy strong. Apple is just holding there. AMD is rejecting morning low. The Q is holding very good. SPY is doing nothing, but it's weak. Like Netflix is looking great. Okay, this head and shoulder is not important anymore. Okay, so I'm done for the day. Like I'm not gonna wait here. The market is not doing anything because it's expecting for Powell at 11. So I'm still holding Netflix as long as it hold this green level here. I'm gonna hold Netflix. AMD put, I'm gonna hold AMD unless it breaks morning high and use it as support. If use it as support, I'm gonna get out. But most likely I'm gonna wait how the daily candle is gonna close. If closes above like morning high, I'm gonna get out. If not, I'm gonna still hold. But for me it's looking bearish, AMD. That's why I'm using this morning high as resistance. Um, if you had a good morning, please, please, please don't trade more. Be happy with your gains and just leave. And maybe if you feel like keep trading today, just wait until after Powell finish, and then so you have a clear trend for the day, and then it's easier to trade that way. But yeah, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for liking the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow at the same time.